If you already know English, then there is a hack that will allow you to literally learn hundreds of new words in just a few seconds. Too good to be true? Then stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll feel that you just activated cheat mode. Hi everybody, this is Daniel. Wouldn't it be nice if you could download into your brain a new language just as easy as you download a new app into your phone? So here's the trick. You may have noticed that many English words end in shun, like translation, education, pronunciation. Well, it turns out that they have a Spanish counterpart. That means that you can use your English as a shortcut to learn tons of Spanish words. How is this possible? That's because both languages share a common ancestor, Latin. Both English and Spanish borrow a lot of vocabulary from Latin, especially words that express actions, states, or processes. By the way, we have an amazing video in our channel about the origin of some Spanish words. Knowing their roots can be a huge advantage and be very useful when learning. You will find the link to the video in the description box below. Let's see some examples. Ready? Education, educación. Conviction, convicción. Revolution, revolución. See? You already know these words. Now, you may have noticed that there is a small change in the intonation. It turns out that in Spanish, most words ending in CIÓN, you will place the stress in the last syllable, like this. Revolución, educación. Now, there are a few exceptions, but in most cases, you will apply these rules. You can use this trick to guess the meaning of some words like acción, situación, convicción, relación. But the best part is that you can use it to expand your vocabulary. Why don't you come up with a list? You might be surprised to see how many words you already know in Spanish. Now, you know a mental shortcut that will help you learn many Spanish words in no time. How cool is that? Would you like to learn more tricks like this one and improve your Spanish? Then be sure to visit us at Spanish55.com. Our coaches will help you feel confident with your Spanish in no time. Thank you for watching. Hasta la próxima.